Good. Look, this insurance, I compliment Deputy Doherty and his efforts, gallant efforts, heroic efforts to deal with the insurance company. It's a racket, it's immoral, it's indecent. It's not justified in any shape, maker, or form. I'm in business myself 39 years, 40 years next year, and I'm talking about myself here today, but all the people, whether they be small business people, whether they be clubs and communities, whether they be hill walking, whatever they are, we're all trying to do the best for the country, but the insurance company keeps ripping us off. And why wouldn't they? Because the Fine Gael, Fianna Fáil, Tweedledum, Tweedledee have allowed them to do what they like. Of course, they get big support from those and financial, and it's all very, very cosy. But look, this is a scandal of what's going on. Young people trying to get insurance. My goodness gracious. And then when you read the fine print, you have none. Come on to the pandemic, and many people who had business interruption insurance, and there were many. Everybody nearly had it. And I salute the 4 brave publicans that took the case. Of course, the central bank should have taken the case, like the public agency did in England, and forced the FBD in that case, and all the other insurance companies to honour their commitments, what's down and right, and what you're paying for. I urge every customer now that has a policy in the middle of the pandemic. Many of them have changed. The wording has changed when they renewed the policies during the year, in August and September, different times. Check it out. It has changed from what they had when the small print has changed. So they're in the business of ripping you off, getting your money, and indeed pay out little. I don't mind, every business has to make a profit, but when it comes to the blackmail and the blackguarding and the downright gouging and betrayal of people, especially the elderly, who for loyalty, I heard my own radio show this morning, Tip FM and Frank Curry, and older people talking about how they were increased by a whopping 40%, some of them this year, and who haven't the abilities to shop around, they don't have the IT skills and everything else, so they're being blackguarded. So there's no loyalty, it's the pockets, and deep pockets for the insurance company, and aided and abetted by willing governments, successive governments for decades.